Yakusoku is used when meeting friends or deciding a time. It's also used at work or school when matching schedules. 約束は友達と会うときや時間を決めるときによく使うよ。仕事や学校でも予定を合わせるときに使うね。Part of speech, a noun that commonly takes suru to form a verb. In everyday use, yakusoku refers to a promise or pledge, an appointment or arrangement to meet, an agreement or assurance, and sometimes a shared convention or rule. 相手と先に決めたことや、後で必ず行うと決意することを指す名詞だよ。人と会う予定や、守ると宣言した取り決めのことだね。場合によっては、慣習や決まりという意味にもなるよ。The first kanji means about or to make an agreement. You see it in yoyaku when you book something ahead of time. It also appears in keiyaku for a formal contract. Think of it as the idea of arranging and agreeing. The second kanji means a bundle or to tie things together. It shows up in hanataba, a bunch of flowers. You also see it in tabaneru, to bundle or manage things. It suggests gathering and holding together. I have an appointment with a friend tomorrow. 明日は友達と約束があります。明日は友達と約束があります。Please keep your promise. 約束を守ってください。約束を守ってください。Sorry, I'll be a little late for our appointment. ごめん。約束の時間に少し遅れます。ごめん。約束の時間に少し遅れます。We made an appointment to meet next Tuesday. 来週の火曜日に会う約束をしました。来週の火曜日に会う約束をしました。The most common synonyms of the word are chikai and torikime. Chikai is stronger and solemn, like an oath. Torikime is a practical arrangement or stipulation. It overlaps when yakusoku means a settled arrangement. The most common antonym of the word is ihan, which means breaking rules or agreements. It contrasts with yakusoku, which is something to keep.